Okay, let's go to page 796 and start with number 1. Okay, so you have 2, negative 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. You got 3, 4, 5. Okay, and this one you want the expansion by minor of the row 1. Okay, so the first row, so you're going to do this one right over here. Okay, so this is going to be equal to, I can get your cross here. So the first number would be 2 times 1, 4, 2, 5. Okay, so that's the first number, and the second number is the 1. So it would be minus 1 times negative 2, 1, 4, 5. Okay, then the third number, again remember it's plus minus plus 3 times negative 2, 1, 1, 2. Right, so you can, whatever leftover number is what goes over here. Okay, so now let's go and do the diagonal. So this is equal to 2 times, okay, so this would be a 5 minus 8. Okay, so minus 1 times, so this diagonal is negative 10 minus, this diagonal is 4 plus 3 times, so this diagonal is negative 4 minus, this diagonal is 1. Okay? Okay. So now let's go and work out each part. So equal to 2 times negative 3 minus 1 times negative 14 plus 3 times negative 5. So equal to negative 6 plus 14 minus 15. And so this is equal to negative 7. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, so you got negative 2, 0, 1. Got negative 2, 2, negative 1, 0, 3, 1. Okay, and you want to do the column 1, expand by column 1. So this is column 1. Okay. Okay. So you can get your cross here. So to expand the negative 2, you have to do this. I cross it out. So you got negative 2 times, and the leftover would be 2, 3, negative 1, 1. Okay, 2, 3, negative 1, 1. Okay, so we did the first number, and next one is 0, so it doesn't do anything. So we don't care, so you don't have to write anything. So next one would be plus 1 times negative 2, 0, 2, 3. Okay, again, it's plus minus plus, right? So it would be plus plus. Okay. So again, if it's 0, you don't have to write anything. It's just 0, right? Okay, now let's go and do the diagonal. So this is equal to negative 2 times. Okay, so this diagonal would be 2, right? 2 times 1 is 2, minus this direction. So it would be negative 3. Okay, so this diagonal is negative 6 minus this diagonal. Now anything times 0 is 0. Okay. So this is equal to negative 2 times 5 plus 1 times negative 6. So this is equal to negative 10 minus 6, and this will equal to negative 16. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. You got negative 1, 0, 3. You got 3, 1, 6. You got 4, 0, negative 2. Okay, and you want to do it by row 2. And this is a good choice because row 2 has a lot of zeros and 1s. Okay, so first let's going to expand the first number. Okay, the first number is 0, so this one doesn't do anything. So you don't have to worry about that. You go to the next one, and this is the 1. So you equal to 1 times negative 1, 4, 3, negative 2. and the next number is 0, so it doesn't do anything, and so that would be equal to that. And so now we can do the diagonal. So this diagonal is equal to 2 minus the opposite diagonal, so it would be 12. And so this will equal to 2 minus negative 12, and 2 minus 12 equal to negative 10, times 1 will still give you negative 10. Okay, and that's it. Okay. Okay, let's go to number 7. So you got 1, 2, 10, negative 1, 3, negative 4, 0, negative 1, 0. And this one you have to do column 3. So again, it's a good choice because there are lots of zeros. So column 3. Okay, so this is going to be equal to, so 0 doesn't do anything, and you go to the next one. Now this is plus, minus, plus, minus. So it would be minus negative 1 times 1, negative 1, 10, negative 4. Okay? So again, this minus comes from plus, minus, plus, minus. And that's a negative 1. So use a parentheses to help you to keep track of things. Okay? And this would be 1, negative 1, 10, negative 4. And next one is 0, so it doesn't do anything. Okay? Okay, so this is equal to 1 times, by negative, negative is positive. And you do the diagonal. So this would be a negative 4 minus, and this would be negative 10. So this will equal to, now negative become plus. So you got negative 4 plus 10 will give you positive 6. And times 1 still give you positive 6. Okay? Okay. Okay, number 9, you got 1, 0, negative 1, 0, negative 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. Okay, so this one, it doesn't tell you which column or which row, so you get to choose. Okay? So, yeah, so this is good choice. This is a good choice because this one has 0 and 1 and negative 1. 0, 1, negative 1, right? Okay, this is a bad choice. This is probably the worst one. This is probably the worst one. This one is not too bad, okay, because this one is okay also because these are negative. Sometimes it's kind of easy to make a mistake with a negative, okay? This one, so this and this are equal, okay? So I personally, I don't really like the negatives, okay? So I'm going to go to this one here, okay? Again, you can choose any row, any column. So choose the one that's easiest to do. Okay. Okay. So first, let's don't expand the 0. So again, if 0 doesn't do anything, 0 times anything is your 0, right? So you go to the next one. And remember, this is plus, minus, plus, right? So it'd be plus 1 times 1, negative 1, negative 1, 1. Okay. And the next one is 2, and it's minus 2 times, right? It's plus, minus, plus, minus. You can go any direction as long as you go alternate. Okay, so you can go plus, minus, or you can even go plus, minus, plus, minus. So either way, it doesn't matter. You will end up with a minus. Okay, so you're going to get 1, 0, negative 1, 2. Okay? Okay, so this will equal to 1 times. So do the diagonal. So it would be 1 minus 1 minus 2 times, again do your diagonal, so it would be 2 minus, and this would be 0. Okay, so 1 minus 1 is 0, so this will equal to 1 times 0 minus 2 times 2. So you can see this is equal to negative 4. Okay. Okay, next one. So you got 0, 4, 0, 3, negative 1, 2, 1, 2, 0. Okay, so this one I'm going to choose this. Okay, because these are a lot of zeros and have a nice number. Now you can choose this one too, but this is higher than that, so I'm going to choose this one. Okay, okay. So again, when you expand the first number, okay, so this will equal to 0 times that, which is equal to 0. So you go to the next one. Now you have to be careful, right? It's plus, minus, plus, minus. So it will be minus 2 times, you got 0, 4, 1, 2. Okay? And next one is 0, so it doesn't do anything, right? 0 times whatever is 0, right? So equal to negative 2 times, so do your diagonals. So this is equal to 0 minus 4. Okay, so this is equal to negative 2 times negative 4, so answer equal to 8.